Family Court Mysore granting maintenance to the wife and the child. The court has awarded 9,000 for the wife and 6,000 for the child. It is now about 43, 44 years, but he's counting days. He has liver sclerosis. So that.
My lords, I am for the respondents.
Yes. Pay for the petition. Yes. No, this is the petition filed against the order of the trial court granting the family court Mysore granting maintenance to the wife and the child. The court has awarded 9,000 for the wife and 6,000 for the child. Two grounds that we have raised, my lord, is that admittedly he does not have a job. And he's an agriculturalist. He does not have a job. And he is dependent on the agricultural income only. So now, right now, his parents are what his mother is supporting him to pay this maintenance. And he's not having a good health. What to say? That is now about 43, 44. Yes. But he's counting days. He has liver sclerosis. So that is the issue that is there, my lord. And because of that, he's not able to get any job or even go for a job. So
What did he pay till now?
He is now paying as per the court directions, my lord. 10,000 was directed to be paid, and we are paying that money, my lord, as per the interim order. As per the interim order.
What do you say?
6 plus 4. That's the amount that is being paid as of now.
For the respondent.
My lords, please, my lords. I have been instructed that there is arrears of about 3 lakhs, my lord.
So what is his income and
My lords, this is second round of litigation. The same grounds were urged before this honorable court where a writ petition came to be filed based on the interim order passed by the same honorable family court, my lords. This is second round of litigation. Same grounds were urged by this by the petitioner, my lords, and this honorable court, a coordinate bench of this honorable court has already addressed it. In fact, they have not produced to that effect, my lords. He is suffering from many liver diseases. It is not on record. He himself gets examined before the trial court and he has not placed on record.
Place that about his health condition.
I'll place it on record.
Then counsel for the petitioner submits that the petition is suffering with liver cirrhosis, and she'll come up with the necessary documents in the